Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching. It's a very warm morning here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're going to be working on the lifted CRV. Welcome back, everyone. So here's the CRV. It is super warm out here, so I parked it, so hopefully I'll be able to work in the shade on the passenger side. As you can see, CRV looks really good. The trim looks really good as well. All of the trim on the door and around the fenders look great, and that is because I recently painted these, but the other side has not been painted, and it does look really clean over here. Basically looks done. You can see the mirrors painted, all of the trim on the doors, as well as the fender trims. It all looks really good. Other side is a different story. Okay, so you really can't see too well from this angle, but if you get up close, you can see that these fenders look so bad. I've been needing to paint these for so long. It is about time we paint them. So we're painting them this morning, guys. Check it out. These are just, they're bad. They definitely need some love, and this is like the worst thing on this passenger side is just this trim. And I think it just makes the side look so bad, and it just makes it look old. So we're gonna refresh this trim. You can see that the door trim was just painted when I wrapped the CRV. Still looks brand new. Love it. Looks so good. So it's time that we paint all of this trim. Let's go around all the way to the back. You can see that there are lots of bad spots on here. And you see that it just gets worse as you go up to the wheel wells. It's really bad up here. They look scuffed up and just dried out. So we're going to wet sand all of this trim, then we'll tape it off and start painting. Show you guys what I'm using right now. All right, so I'm just going to be using some 800 grit sandpaper and just wetting it, wet the trim and wet sand it really quick just to scuff it up and make sure the paint sticks. Just like with every other trim piece and the bumpers, I'm using Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer in satin black. So it's been sanded, rinsed off, and dried. Just letting it dry through the cracks and everything really quick. Let me tell you guys, it is already hot out here. It's gotta be at least like 95 degrees, and it's like, I don't know, 8 o'clock. It is very hot out here. I'm already sweating. So next step is to start taping off the trim pieces, make sure none of the paint gets onto the wrap, and just make sure that this trim gets all of the paint and has clean lines. So that's what we're gonna work on next. Sorry if I'm a little out of breath. I'm just trying to get this done before the sun gets on this side. Right now we have a lot of shade, which is really nice, but it's not going to stay like that for long. I know that for sure. And I know it's going to get hot today. I believe it's going to be like 110. So it's not fun, guys. So we're gonna start taping this off right now and then start painting. Taping off is pretty tedious, but has to be done pretty much perfect, or you're gonna see all kinds of crazy lines and edges. after about an hour of prep work and paint, the passenger side matches the driver's side. It all looks great in uniform, and it just looks a lot better with the brand new wrap and now the trim pieces looking brand new. It just looks so good. So now I have time to work on the hood next and get that looking brand new as well, because pretty much the only problem areas are small things with the wrap and the hood. The hood is the worst. So that's what I'm going to be working on in the near future, as well as more mods for the CR-V. I did want to mention, if you guys watch these videos and you want to know what I've done to the CR-V in the past week or two, I did have the tires rotated. So the brand new tires were on the back and now they're on the front. And now that all of the tires match, I just need to keep up on rotations and make sure they wear about the same. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.